We opened the doors of our Airplane Spoon house on October 1st, 2021. Now, 1 year later, we are here to say thank you. Thank you for everything that you have allowed for us to grow with you over this past year. Outside in our grow space, we have had our social groups as well as our family parties. They're amazing times where everyone comes, enjoys, children play together, and families get to meet and talk to each other. And we look forward to seeing you at our next family parties that we have in the upcoming of our year 2. We have supported more families, and we've also grown in adding more of our own family members of our Airplane Spoon family. This past year has been amazing. We have grown in so many ways, and we thank you, all of our families and the community, for sharing this past time with us.